Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'll be installing this unit here from Sensational. I do want to say thank you to Sensational for sending over today's wig. So they added a new unit to their Vice collection, and this is Vice Unit 4, and I have it in CH30. So this color is giving off some black and brown. So for today's video, I am going to install the unit on camera, and I'm going to do a voiceover with my thoughts on the wig. So we'll have a little short video today, but I feel like you'll get two in like one process instead of just and let me know if you guys like this type of review. You'll get the two with the install and the review at the same time versus watching me install it and then reviewing it. So let me know if you like that concept more as well. Make sure you like this video, leave a comment as well, let me know what you think about it. Subscribe if you're not already, and then follow me on my socials. They're on my screen and in my description bar below. Now let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright you guys, so today we are reviewing the Vice Unit 4, and I have it in CH30. So let me just go ahead and start off by saying I'm actually in love with this wig. This is such a beautiful unit. I love the bust down middle part, the lace, the color, the style, everything about this unit is super pretty. I also apologize about the noise that you hear in the background. Just want to go ahead and throw that out there. I am currently on vacation and I need to get these videos edited and recorded, so sorry if you hear any noise background. I had to come outside to do this. But anyways, back into the review. The installation process is super easy and simple. I did go ahead and tint the lace just a little bit. It has a very natural hairline. The baby hairs that it comes with is also very natural, very easy to work with. I did use them just a little bit, but not too much, because I wanted it to be a very quick and simple, easy install process. There was also no shedding and tangling with this wig, which I really appreciated. It is a more silky texture, you guys, so just keep that in mind. If you're looking for something that's going to be yucky, this one is not. However, the silkiness of this unit is definitely working. It doesn't give off like very cheap looking. It actually looks nice and expensive. The lace is what I'm obsessed with. Like, the hairline of this unit is very natural. Like, it gives off thin, but not like too overplucked. It's just very realistic to me anyways, and I like that I didn't have to do any other extra work to it. I like that I didn't have to pluck it some more. I did also install this unit glueless. I used just a little bit of spray right there at the front, like right where the parting space is, just to secure it right there, because I had a little lace that kept like flicking up, and then I ended up cutting it off. But other than that, you didn't really have to use any type of holding product, but you can if you would like to. Overall, this unit, you guys, I definitely recommend trying it, adding it to your collection. It's a good everyday unit. You could throw it on if you're going out somewhere, like for dinner or out to a party or to work. Like, it's just that versatile of a wig. You could wear it anywhere. I'm a huge fan of their Vice units in general, so I do hope that Sensational continues to add more units to this collection, because I really love how these wigs are made. So if you guys are interested in the wig, make sure you check out my description bar below. I have a direct link there for you. If I didn't answer any questions about the wig, just make sure you leave them in the comment section and I can get the answer for you. But overall, this is like a good 9 out of 10 unit. So if you haven't, y'all, definitely try this one out. Alright you guys, so that ends today's video. Make sure you leave a comment, let me know what you think about it. Leave a thumbs up as well. Subscribe if you got to the end. I really appreciate it. And that's all I have for you guys today. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye y'all.